Today's video we are going to be looking at some rings by the brand Joancee. I am super excited to get in here. Stay tuned and we'll have a look at some sparkles. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about sparkles. I love a good sparkle, don't you? So we're going to be looking at some jewellery, and to be more specific we're going to be looking at some rings, some sterling silver rings. So I was very kindly contacted by the brand Joancee. I hope I am saying that correctly, and they said that I could go on their website and choose two rings, any two rings that I wanted. In return I would get them gifted to me to do an unboxing on my channel. So yeah, to be totally clear and transparent, I have not paid for these. Like I say, these were gifted. So yeah, we're going to open them up and have a little sneaky peek. I have already had a little bit of a sneaky peek, and guys, I am over the moon and I can't wait to show you the quality of these. I will link Joancee's website down below in the information box and the comment box. Guys, you've seriously got to click that link and go and take a look for yourself. They do some beautiful pieces of jewellery. The rings are out of this world. There's loads more rings that I've got my eye on. It was so hard just choosing two. It was so hard. They do necklaces, they do earrings. It's just a jewellery shop online. So yeah, without further ado, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Right guys, so this is what the jewellery comes in. Through the post, it came in a bubble envelope, and yeah, the jewellery came in these boxes here. We've got one ring in here and one ring in here, or should I say ring sets. The first ring set we're going to look at, we'll look at this one and then we'll have a good look through the bigger box there. So very good quality jewellery boxes indeed. Lovely jewellery boxes. Let's open them up. So it came with that on there. I cut that off ready for the video. That is the first set of rings that I have chosen. I wanted to order this very small because I didn't want it as a normal ring. I wanted this as a midi ring, and let's take it out the box and I'll show you what I mean. And that is what the ring looks like on, and that's what I mean by midi ring. It is so stunning. I do apologise about my middle finger there. I don't mean to be sticking it up at you. Yeah, so like I say, this is an American size 4, which is a UK size H. And what I love about these sets is that they don't have to be worn together. You can wear them separately. So that's what that looks like on its own. And if you wanted, you could just pop that one on there. And there we go, we've got two midi rings. Guys, they are so cute. The quality on these are unbelievable. They are gorgeous. So I am on the website now, and the name of this ring is Princess Cut White Sapphire 925 Sterling Silver Woman's Ring. I will link these rings individually down below in the information box, so you can click on each individual ring. I just couldn't believe the quality of this. This is £107.96. You won't be disappointed by the quality. Now on to the bigger box. You get this box for free when you order, so it's like a little jewellery box. It's really cool. So we open the top up. If I can. We open the top up and then we have another jewellery box where the second set of rings are. So let's take that out. If you wanted, you could keep that the way that it is and keep the box in there, or you can take the foam out and actually use it as a jewellery drawer. But yeah, here is the other one. Again, just to be prepared, I cut that label off of that one. And there is the second set that I chose. I just look at it and I think it's so pretty, really pretty. So I'm just going to quickly pop these on and give you a closer look. And there guys, that is the second set of rings on. And when I said sparkles, I meant sparkles. It's just glistening, absolutely beautiful. Let me just show you the depth of it. So yeah, oh, it's stunning, absolutely stunning. On the website, this ring is called Classic Princess Cut White Sapphire 925 Sterling Silver Woman's Ring Set. This is £108.76. So this is an American size 6, which is a UK size L1/2. Again, I'll link this individually down below in the information box. The other rings, because it's a set, you can wear it any way that you want to. So we can either, let me just pop that on there, we can either wear just one band. So we've got the white sapphires going round. We can wear 2 bands together, which looks really pretty as it is, doesn't it? We can wear 1 band and the main piece. We can wear just the main piece on its own, which I think, it just looks so stunning. And then you can wear the other 2 rings on your other fingers. Yeah, it's so nice. I am so in love. So let's go back to the jewellery box and we'll go in the second drawer. We have some bits in here. So we have a little card by the brand, and inside it just says, care of sterling silver, thank you for selecting this sterling silver gift set from Joancee. Sterling silver is a precious metal and may require cleaning from time to time. Use a small amount of silver polish on a soft cloth and rub the piece of silver several times. This will remove the tarnish and dullness. Keep your sterling silver gift like new. And then in here we have, it's a silver polishing cloth, which is made of high quality cotton, impregnated with a silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. Use as an ordinary cloth on lightly tarnished silver and silver plate to obtain a brilliant polish with long-lasting protection against tarnish. This cloth remains effective as long as it's not washed. We get the little cloth here as well. Again, it's got the brand's name on there. So that's a nice little touch that they supply this. I think that's absolutely great, to be honest, because not all jewellery places do. Absolutely loving my new rings. I absolutely adore them. And yeah, I love sparkles. So what do you guys think? Do you like them? Let me know. Click the link down below in the information box and go and check them out, and comment down below and let me know what you think of their website and what they sell. Yeah, I say they've got some beautiful items on there. So as you can obviously tell, these get a massive thumbs up from me. I absolutely adore these pieces. Very lucky girl indeed to be working with Joancee. Yeah, very lucky. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.